My name is Deibis Rios. I'm 31 years old. I'm from the city Valledupar. I live in Valledupar to study, play soccer with my mom, study psychology. At sports center, my favorite sport is football. Now, it is a pleasure for me to introduce you to my family. My mother is Emilia Aldana. She is 36 years old. She is a doctor. She is Valledupar. My mother is very pretty. She is short. She is brunette. The eyes are brown, and she has black hair. My father is Jose Rios. He is 24 years old. He is an engineer. He is from Valledupar. He is a dark. He is thin and charismatic. I have a sister, Luz Angela. She is very beautiful. She is small. She is 8 years old. Her birthday is on May 14. She has black hair. My grandmother is 86 years old. She is very cute, very funny. She is super fun. My family is beautiful. It is helped me to move forward. It is very hardworking and very sociable, and I always ask God to bless me. Thanks.